Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. For today we have a scholarship called Narottam Sheikh-Saria Scholarship. This scholarship is being provided by Narottam Sheikh-Saria Foundation and the scholarship reward is 20,000. This scholarship is open to the postgraduate students and the link for the application form is given below in the description box. And to know the entire application process, keep on watching our video. If you enjoy content like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. Now let's get started with the video. First type theglobalscholarship.org. Now click on the first link that appears on your page. This will take you to our official website which has three broad categories: scholarship, abroad scholarship, competition and awards. Click on the scholarship section. You will see multiple scholarships to which you can apply according to your eligibility. For today, let's focus on Narottam Sheikh-Saria Scholarship. Click on the View button. Now you can see an interface that has the scholarship details like name of the scholarship, provider of the scholarship, benefit from the scholarship. At the right side, you can see the start date of the scholarship, end date of the scholarship. Right below it, you will see the educational qualification to whom this scholarship is open to, that is postgraduate students. After that, I want you to go through the scholarship description once to know the intent of the scholarship provider. Once done with it, check out the eligibility criteria for the scholarship. Moving down the page, you will see the attachment section. So these are all the documents which you need while filling up of the application form for the Narottam Sheikh-Saria Scholarship. So please keep these documents handy. Keep the documents in JPG or PNG format. Moving down the page, you will see the button login and apply at the left corner. Hit the button. Now the official page of the scholarship is open in front of you. The application process has 7 steps which is been clearly mentioned in the page. In the first step, you can see click here to apply. Click on it. It's been clearly mentioned in the page. For new users, by clicking sign up, you will be promoted to enter your email address and create a password. Once you have chosen your password, your account will be created and you will gain access to the portal. Enter your email ID, create the password and hit the sign up button. Once successfully registered, the applicant must log in using the email address and password created during the registration process. The third step is of making payment. The registration instructions will be given onto your page and some questions will be asked to create your profile. So enter the details correctly. After that, your profile will be created. Then the page for registration form will be open in front of you. Click on the open button. Now the registration form is open. Carefully enter the details. Enter applicant's first name, last name, date of birth, email ID, mobile number along with the country's code, year of scholarship application. Click on mark complete. Then if you want to make any changes, click on the edit button. If not, directly hit on the submit button. You will receive an email with the payment instructions to complete your registration. Check it out. Then the next step is of registration payment information. Click on the View button. Carefully fill out all the details which is been asked while filling up of the application form. This is how you go about the application for Narottam Sheikh-Saria Foundation. If you want more updates like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. Thank you for watching.